Soup, soup.
Pressure, pressure.
Soup, soup.
Pressure, pressure.
Who under pressure?
Brazil.
No. Brazil under pressure. Argentina under pressure, yeah? Argentina is under pressure. And I speak to you as an Argentina fan, a concerned Argentina fan.
Why did you say that?
What was that?
Why did you say that?
Because
Daddy's team is looking down the barrel.
Yeah. Hold on, baby. To explain to you.
We want some.
First of all, hi everybody, hi neighbors. Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos al video nuevo.
Al video nuevo, okay.
Correcto?
Sí.
To all the Argentina fans, yeah, my Spanish not so 100, but big up all the Argentina fans. Before we go any further though, every team has played at least once. Today is Friday, by the way, Friday evening. Every team has played once, so you got to see your side in the World Cup. Declare right now in the comments who your side is, whether it's Brazil, Argentina, Costa Rica, England. Put in the comments so we can know who your side is and say it with your chest. Nobody be like me, because right now I was going through my Argentina shirt today, but I may have to come out of the car and I really...
What kind of a fan are you?
I can't manage the mountain. I cannot manage it. So for context, Argentina played the first match. They're one of the favorites for World Cup. And they lost the first match to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Dun, dun, dun.
It was so bad. They won on, was it Monday? They played the match on Monday. They declared Tuesday a holiday in Saudi Arabia. And each member of the team, sorry, will be getting a Rolls Royce just because they beat Argentina.
Good on them.
It's good for
Good
them,
on
but
you, Saudi Arabia.
Argentina,
you played well. You showed up.
they're not out as yet, and the match, their next match is tomorrow, Saturday. And I'm not going to tell you that I'm confident. I'm concerned, but I'm going to try to hold it, right?
As a good fan, you've been through them through thick and thin, babe. This is just another
test, right?
Another one of the things, momentary things.
I'm going to wear my jersey in the house, not going on the road with it. If I see a flag, I'm going to buy it and keep it in the house. If a window, trust me, you're going to hear me. You're going to hear me from where you are.
And rest assured that I will not be mounting you.
No, you can't.
I will be behind you all the way. Go Argentina! Argentina! There's a lot of sentimental stuff there. Oh.
Argentina.
Right.
Yes, Argentina. You know Argentina?
No.
It's a country in South America.
Do you know South America?
Oh, and it's the first time Eden and Ava are riding this way. Eden, say hi. Ava, hi. And they're super excited because they're normally looking through the back of the windscreen, but now they're looking and they're like, whoa, this is the view from our
yeah, it's a temporary arrangement because we have to pick up a couple of extra passengers today. So we just do it to allow more legroom in the middle aisle. I hope they don't get too disappointed when we change it back.
Yeah, but we're going to go on the road now. Drop in the comments who your side is. And the Brazilian people kind of annoying, but just drop it in the comments. Yeah, I'm not going to kick you out of the
all the Ronaldo fans, I mean, they're going to be just rubbing it in your face regarding Messi.
Yeah.
So
I can handle it. Bring it on. Drop it in the comments. Anything you want to say.
It's like I was in the gas station yesterday, and there was this gentleman who was declaring that he's a Brazil fan and that he's a Ronaldo fan, and that Messi, everybody knows that Messi don't play good when he's on the international stage. He's only good at the club level, and I'm like, I felt it for you, babe. I wanted to answer him back, but alas, he's not entirely wrong.
As I said, I'm honestly not extremely confident, but I'm not going to count on my side as yet. We'll see how the match goes tomorrow. Alright?
Yeah.
Let's leave it at that.
And Leila is around the back singing a new version of the ABC song. Go, baby, go. Sing your song, baby. No, sing it the way you were singing it before.
It was improvisation, she can't remember.
All right.
Wow, it's
Gotta get it right.
Much about them.
Yay! Always ABC now.
Yeah.
Ever ABC.
And they'll be seeing on Sunday. Promise you.
Babe, don't promise.
I'm promising you. I'm promising you.
Well, I can always edit this out of the vlog.
No, it's going to be in the vlog. We're doing this. The Lanzar were supposed to sing as part of their school.
They made the choir, guys. They actually made the choir, but
Oh, right. We never tell you they made the choir, but they were unable to sing at the event because they were sick. So we're going to let them
have their big moment.
Right, sing the song.
Yeah.
On YouTube on Sunday evening.
And that's our bus.
Yeah, so this is the first bashment.
Yeah.
Following their mother's footsteps, right?
Their first public performance. So look out for it, guys.
Now Jamaica has only been to the World Cup once in history in 1998. But don't worry, whether or not we're there, the World Cup fever is high. All you have to do is look on the vehicles.
I don't know. The light is on red. It looks like it can't change soon though, baby. So you're doing this, you're really pulling over
I
for
guess
this?
to see everybody hype in them country, so I'm walking away.
Going. Where's he going? Hey dude! Flagman!
Ah, red light.
Red light.
Him gone.
The flagman gone from the stoplight.
Oh man.
Flagman gone.
I don't see no
Gone.
You see him walking away?
Yeah. See another flagman. Oh, cool. Right here is Flag Central. See Argentina flag there, Celine, babe.
Come over this way.
Flagman! Flagman attack. Flagman! You have the Argentina flag? Yeah. Come here. Alright. Is how much feet? 2 feet. 2 bills. Just one you want?
You want one?
Well, this one we have to keep it in case it.
You have more this size?
You have more than one?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Give me one more. This.
No, you have armband.
What?
How much is the armband?
Okay.
Give me the armband.
Alright.
Yeah. Who you carry?
Portugal,
No, brother, what kind of shit? No, man, a LM10, man. Messi. Messi.
No, he mess up. You man at the door and the door now. So I don't know how I'm team on the door.
No, man, you're good, man. You're good. Respect, here.
Cool, thank you.
Cool.
Alright then.
Brother.
Love him or hate him, Ronaldo is here and Ronaldo is giving the people what they want, babe.
He didn't play that good. Look at my
The man scored a penalty. Messi missed his, darling.
Messi scored his.
Messi scored his?
Yeah. But they said that they were saying that when they score a penalty, then the other side come back and beat it 2-1, like Germany.
But there was he missed the second one.
I have my thing. No, man. Only one penalty.
No, there was another one.
I watched the match there.
I watched the match also.
Messi?
Oh, it wasn't a thing there. It was a free kick.
She's telling
It
me.
wasn't a, sorry. It
She's
was
telling me about Argentina.
It was a free kick.
So I'm going to know quietly champion Argentina from the car.
Why are you quietly
and
championing?
from my house, because if things don't go so well tomorrow,
Mountain can't done.
nobody not gonna know.
Portugal over there.
Neighbors, we're at Hannah School now waiting with my flag. What's our question? A serious question. Do you think you should pray for football matches? Like, I used to pray and say, God, please help my side, like Barcelona or Argentina, win the match. When I figure that other team, they have people praying as well, and then it's kind of unfair to God for God to decide who should win. So I just say it's a game, just let it be. But that was my approach on earlier this week when Argentina played Saudi Arabia. And then I was just like, you know, a little prayer, like, you know, God help them, I pray. But now I feel like I need to really beseech the throne, because the son was crying. There was tears in the eyes of this son last match, and I don't want people to be, you know, dealing with the Argentina fan base and the Argentina players in no way. So I'm like, you know, just pray with me. Whisper a prayer, alright? Whisper a prayer. But let me know, seriously though, what do you think? When it comes to things like sports and everything there, it makes sense pray for victory, because everybody praying for victory. What would it come down to? Why would God answer your prayer as against the other team's prayer? Hey neighbors, so came to the house this morning in Clarendon, and unfortunately I'm still here even though the match starts. I'm here with Tina, and everybody say hi. Say hi. Let's say hi.
Oh, hi.
Right, and the match is already 30 minutes in. It's Argentina 0, Mexico 0, and I'm a nervous wreck. It's probably best that it worked out this way, where I can't watch it.
Yeah.
But I did bring my shirt and my flag and my armband, so I'm going to change right now. And we're back. And you know me, I support it and look quiet until I hear something positive. Just in case, you know, I don't embarrass myself. And Tina, by extension, you know?
Listen, you support who you support. You will not be embarrassing.
Yeah, you know.
So,
we're Argentina through and through, right?
yeah, if you're a fan, you're a fan. Come on, have some guts.
I'm an AC, not a fan. If the power not there, then I'm gone. So what fan works out to do?
Correct.
Yeah, alright. I was thinking with alright, we're proud, we're loud and proud of Argentina today. Win, lose or draw. But we're supporting them. What you have, baby? What's that?
Better.
Show them. Brother. Okay. Who are you supporting today? Which country are you supporting today? Argentina. Layla. Let's do Argentina. Argentina. Alright, take the flag, take the flag. Edie, who are you supporting today?
Alba Celeste.
Alba Celeste. Eva. So I'll check the updates as we drive home, and when I get home, if it's a positive result or not, I'll check the highlights and show you some of the clips.
You see what it is I have to be dealing with here?
Argentina.
Argentina.
going to buy a new shirt. If we win, I'll buy a new shirt next week. Because this is probably 8 years old. Need to, you know, step up my support.
Regardless, you need to buy a shirt.
Big up Albert Celeste, representing good today.
You're gonna change your mind if Mexico go score for them, you know.
A few moments later.
Argentina 1-0. Leo Messi. I don't cough it again. Yo, you know, I got a baker a while ago.
I know, I write something there. Do not.
And I hear somebody say, woo! So I wonder if something happened. Argentina 1, Mexico 0. Leo Messi, 64 minutes. Argentina! Listen. Father God, please. Gracias a Dios. Gracias a Dios. Gracias a Dios. Father God, please make a hold on and stretch your lead. You know, at halftime, I stopped somewhere in the community and the man was saying, man, it's Messi finish him to go sit on them thing. Like, them thing hurt me, you know. Answering the critics. It don't matter how the goal score, I just glad say, El Messi, silence the critics.
Yes.
So,
I don't like this.
I'll keep you updated as the match progresses.
Dude,
Sorry.
don't leave me hanging.
Oh, I thought you were blocking the car. But yes, we're eating good tonight.
How much time left in the match?
25 minutes left, officially.
Okay.
Then extra time. So in a bid to catch even a piece of the match, we're headed to Moore's. You see that goal like so basically? I stopped at Moore's because we're in Clarendon. And there's a TV here, of course, so I'll be Celeste. Really not. We're good. So back in the car, and the game is over. Until how the story going on. So I'm at the cashier. The cashier, I said, give me a quarter of it, and then I hear bing on my phone. Notification coming, you know. Argentina 2-0, so I was like, yes, score. So she has a little phone at her cashier station, and she's like, we score? You're not coming here upon my thing. So I say, yeah man, we score. Then now I say, it look like it's delayed because my notification come in. Then it's like our next half a minute, she said, oh yes, sit now. And then I say, hold on there, but I don't hear no noise. That means the place, it don't register on the TV yet, where everybody's watching. Also, I do not go around there quickly in time to catch reaction of everybody.
Go to the restaurant?
Yeah.
Where everybody's seated?
Yeah, and get everybody's reaction. And actually see the goal. Man, if you see the goal, seriously, it's a really good goal from a substitute. Very proud of her performance. I had to go back to her after. I couldn't finish order. So I go back and make my order and thing, and I was like, yeah man, we win today, and she laughed. So, everybody miserable, everybody want to go home now. We're eating our food and heading back over. Big up to all Argentina fans in the neighborhood. And until next time, neighbors, be safe, enjoy World Cup. And big up from me and my house. Adios.
Adios.
Loud and proud, man. Argentina. Argentina. I'll be Celeste.